Exercise 5.5 Problem 3 Discussion. Show that the straight lines 3x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0 and 15x plus 9y plus 4 equal to 0 are perpendicular. So what is given in the problem? There are two equations of straight lines. Okay. And they say the lines are perpendicular. We need to show that the lines are perpendicular. So how will you do it? Find the slope of this straight line. Find the slope of this straight line and multiply both the slopes, and if they are equal to minus 1, the lines are perpendicular, right? So that's the key condition. So let's list what is given in the problem. The two equations are given of the straight lines. We are asked to show the lines are perpendicular. Hint: when the lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes, that is m1 and m2 equal to minus 1. m1 is the slope of the first line, m2 is the slope of the second line. The product of the slopes, if it is equal to minus 1, then the lines are perpendicular. Can you recollect what happens when the lines are parallel? m1 will be equal to m2. Okay, so when the lines are parallel, m1 will be equal to m2. When the lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 will be equal to minus 1. The formula: the slope equal to minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Let's go through the steps. Calculate the slope of both lines using m equal to coefficient of x, minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Calculate a product of the slopes. If the product of the slopes m1 m2 equal to minus 1, then the lines are perpendicular. Got it? So find the slope first of both the lines, multiply them and see whether it is minus 1. If it is minus 1, the lines are perpendicular. Okay, so please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. The slopes, the equations are 3x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0 and 15x plus 9y plus 4 equal to 0. The slope is given by minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So let's take the first line, 3x plus 5y minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. The slope m1 will be minus of coefficient of x, that is 3. So minus 3 divided by coefficient of y is minus 5. So it is minus 3 divided by minus 5. That will be 3 by 5. Now apply the same for the second line, 15x plus 9y plus 4 equal to 0. The slope m2 will be equal to minus of coefficient of x is 15 divided by coefficient of y is 9. So it is minus of 15 by 9. 3 will go 5 times, 3 will go 3 times. So that's equal to minus 5 by 3. So this is m2. So multiply these two, m1 into m2. So that will be 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Minus 1 will be the final product. So you can see the product of the two slopes equal to minus 1. Therefore, the lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so I hope I made this problem easy for you. Thanks for watching this video.